Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Librechat versus Typingmind, two of the most popular open source LLM platforms right now. We tested both to see which one gives the best overall experience. Librechat impresses with its flexibility. It integrates with multiple AI providers and gives us control over custom prompts, history, and plugins. It feels very developer friendly and transparent, which is a big plus. Typingmind, on the other hand, is all about speed and simplicity. The interface is clean. It works smoothly across devices and it doesn't overwhelm us with options. Now, the pros of Librechat are that it's highly customizable, perfect for those who love tweaking settings, and it's completely open source. The cons are that it requires more setup time and can feel intimidating for non-technical users. Typingmind's pros are its user-friendliness, fast performance, and easy onboarding, but the downside is that it's less customizable, and advanced users might feel limited. Overall, if you want raw flexibility and open source power, Librechat is the way to go. If you want a polished, ready to go experience, Typingmind may suit you better. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.